Chapter 11. Our Rich Heritage. People from different lands have come to India and brought different customs and traditions. Over centuries, these mixed with the local tradition of India. Today, India has a rich and unique culture and heritage. Let's learn more about Indian culture and heritage. Indian languages. A large number of languages are spoken in India. Out of these, 22 languages have been recognized by the Constitution. These languages are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, earlier Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. Tamil and Telugu are the oldest languages. All the languages have their own scripts. Hindi is the official language of India. Most languages are written from left to right. However, Urdu, Sindhi, and Kashmiri are written from right to left. Indian dresses. People living in different parts of the country wear different types of dresses. Sari, blouse, is the most popular dress of the women. However, the style of wearing the sari differs from state to state. Salwar kameez is another popular dress among the women of India. Women in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat wear ghagra. In the northeastern states of India, women wear colorful, long skirts. The most popular dresses of Indian men are trouser shirt, kurta pajama, and dhoti kurta. In some states, men also tie turbans. In Kashmir, both men and women wear long loose coats called pirans. Nowadays, both men and women in towns and cities wear modern dresses. Indian dance and music. Dance and music are important parts of Indian culture. There are two main types of dance, folk and classical. Folk dances are performed on special occasions like weddings, festivals, and crop harvesting. Classical dances are performed by trained dancers. These dances began as forms of worship. Classical dances are based on different beats and rhythms. The dancers wear special costumes like masks and headdresses. Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, etc. are some famous classical dances of India. A list of some major folk and classical dances of India is given here. Folk dance, state, Bhangra, Punjab, Bihu, Assam, Ghumar, Rajasthan, Garba, Gujarat, Dandiya Ras, Gujarat, Gidda, Punjab, Rauf, Jammu and Kashmir, Lezim, Maharashtra. Classical dance, state, Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, North India, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Odissi, Odisha, Mohiniyattam, Kerala, Yakshagana, Karnataka. The tradition of classical music in India is thousands of years old. Tansen, Haridas, and Baiju Bawra were well-known musicians of the past. Indian classical music is divided into two styles, the Hindustani of northern India and the Carnatic of southern India. Both these styles of music are based on ragas. Music is played on a large variety of instruments like sarod, veena, tabla, sarangi, sitar, shehnai, and flute. Some well-known musicians are Ravi Shankar, Amjad Ali Khan, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, and Zakir Hussain.